Okay, so this is a video on how to basically make a scatter plot and the residual plot in Stapplet. So I'm going to highlight the explanatory variable, which is body weight, and I'm going to copy. So Control C or Command C, and I'm going to take this data over to Stapplet. So we are looking at two quantitative variables. So I'll click that here, and then I'm going to go ahead and paste Control V or Command V, and there's the data right there. So the explanatory here rate is body weight, and this is in pounds. And then I'll go ahead and grab my response. And I'll copy and paste this data. And there my data is now in Stapplet. My next step is to begin analysis, and this will give me my scatter plot. As you can see here, I have the scatter plot. I'll go ahead and calculate the correlation and do the regression model before I put this in here. So basically now I have all of my information, and I am going to screenshot this and put it into the doc. So whatever, however your computer screenshots or your device, you're going to get this into the doc. And there's my scatter plot with the line. I'm going to also screenshot the correlation coefficient and the equation. When it's there, I'll reformat this in a minute. And my last step, I'm going to screenshot the residual plot. So it says residual right here, and this is the one that I want. I don't need the one below, I just need this one. This is the one that we usually look at. And I'll bring this over. Okay, so now that I have this in here, now my next task will be to interpret it. The scatter plot, I'm going to describe the relationship, and I'll use R. R is 0.795, so that's strong or moderately strong positive linear association. The slope right here is 0.09. So that means for each additional pound of the hiker, their backpack will increase 0.09 pounds. And that the predicted weight for a backpack of a someone who weighs 0 pounds is 16 pounds. And the next job will be to go ahead and make a prediction. So I'll use this and I'll plug in the value into the equation. And then I will go ahead and see how my model fits. So I'll calculate the individual residual, which I'll subtract the actual value minus the predicted. The actual value I'll get from the table. The predicted I will get from the model. And then here my average error is going to be 2.27. So that's the average, 2.27 pounds. So whatever predictions I make, I'll expect to be about a little over 2.25 pounds off in my predictions. And that this last value, R squared, we're going to get to that interpretation next week. I hope this video helps. Please make sure you ask questions if you have them.